aking pamilya at sa aking bansa. Don't pray silently. The devil does not want to hear your prayer. So, pray today with a loud voice. Amen? Speak today. We declare today, you're going to bring forth a supernatural acceleration for each one of us. We humble ourselves before you. We can't do anything. We cannot do anything, Lord. Wala kami magagawa. Ikaw lamang po pwedeng gumawa ng mga miracles. Paano mo ba mag-uwi ng bansang ito?
Held at the house level.